Let me guess. You saw videos like these on X and YouTube, and from description you discovered that it was created by Veo 3. You went to Google and searched Veo 3, and after a few clicks you were greeted by this nasty message. Your account is not eligible for Google AI Pro plan. I've been in your shoes. I know the pain of trying to get access to Google Veo 3 outside the United States. In the end, I discovered a method that works 100% of time. In this video, I'm gonna share the steps that I took to gain access to Google Veo 3 without spending a penny. The very first step that I took is to install Opera browser. Most people recommended that I should use a free VPN.
Exact VPN I'm using, free VPN for Chrome, VPN proxy, VPN. So here you can see the rankings.
So I went on Google and searched free VPN, and after refreshing the page, that message didn't go away. In terms of the VPN, sometimes this free VPN does work, sometimes it doesn't work. So I ended up ditching it for the free VPN that comes with the Opera browser. So I went ahead and I downloaded Opera onto my computer, and for some reason it wasn't showing the free VPN. After some research, I discovered that I just have to click on the top left corner and go to settings, and inside the settings go to advanced, and inside advanced go to VPN and activate the VPN. So that's what I did. The next step is of course to gain access to Veo 3. And for this one, I went to Google and typed Veo 3 and I landed on this platform. I was given two choices to go with the Gemini or start with the Pro. So I went with the Gemini and I clicked on upgrade. When I clicked on upgrade, I was prompted to enter an email. I was very skeptical, so I ended up creating a new email. After I created the new email, I signed in and I was given access to Google AI Pro plan. The next step is to verify student status. Now here's the issue. Google's AI Pro plan is only available free of charge for students in the United States and a few countries. So we need to verify that we are students. From my research, I discovered that I had to use a free disposable email. I went to tempumail.com and got one email. So I took that email and put it there and clicked verify. Google ended up sending 6 digits to the disposable mail that I created in Tempumail. So I took those digits and put there to verify, and I was given access to this one. Again, there is one more verification that we need to do. We need to verify that we are 18 years older. Again, Google's AI Pro plan is only available for students in the United States and a few countries. However, those students have to be 18 years or older. Anybody younger than 17 will not be given access to Google's AI Pro plan. So in terms of verification, you need a form of payment. In my case, I chose to verify with a MasterCard. After verifying, I was given access to this interface. Again, before you start creating anything, just a few tips. Make sure you go with one creation at a time, because this free plan does come with a few credits, and one creation is going to cost you 100 credits. In order to avoid wastage of the credits, you need to go with one creation at a time. Again, from the list, you're gonna choose the resolution that you are going for. Obviously, we're going for Veo 3. This is my experience. Let me know your experience in trying to gain access to Veo 3 in the comments. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching to this far. Make sure you like and subscribe.